Hey yo, what's up people? Welcome back to my channel. So good to see your smiling faces. I'm your host Karthik S. Gowda, and in this video we are gonna taste the piping hot deliciousness that Google is cooking for us. Stay tuned till the end of the video because there'll be some interesting questions answered, and without any further ado, let's get started. A company, when it's developing a product, usually addresses the products with code names, and Google is no different. They have an interesting way of using fish names as code names. Yes, fish names. Like the Google Pixel 3 was called Blue Line, Pixel 3 XL was called Cross Eyes, and Pixel 3a was called Bonito. And now to the leaks. Three code names of the upcoming Pixel 4a has been leaked: Sunfish, Redfin, and Bramble. Sunfish is the code name of Pixel 4a. Redfin is the code name of Pixel 4a XL, and Bramble is the interesting one because Bramble is not a fish name. So is Google over fish names? Maybe, but what is this device Bramble? Bramble is nothing but a Pixel 4a XL with Snapdragon 765. Yes, it supports 5G. A Pixel 4a device which supports 5G will be launched at Google I/O 2020. The 4a and 4a XL will rock the Snapdragon 730. 4a will start close to $400. 4a XL will start close to $500. They will be launched at Google I/O 2020. And now for the questions. Will it have a metal body? Nope, completely plastic. Will it retain the headphone jack? Yes, of course. Is it coming to India? Now this is an interesting one because the 4 and 4XL were not launched in India because it's overpriced to the Indian market and they don't do well. So Pixel 4a coming to India? Most probably not. Will there be price bumps? No, it will start at $400. A high refresh rate display? No, it'll rock the normal 60Hz display. Faster charging? Maybe. Any new colors? Yes, Google might surprise us with new colors. Unlimited cloud storage. Now this is an interesting one because the 4 and 4XL didn't have the unlimited storage at full resolution for the photos and videos it took. So will the 4a have it? Nope, it will not. If you have made it so far, thanks a lot for watching. Please do the YouTube rituals, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.